Weekly elevations are shared to plant seeds of thought to reflect upon throughout your week. This week's reminder is that your joy is your priority. It's not necessary for you to relive a negative memory. In fact, that approach lessens your joy. This week, I invite you to recognize negative thought patterns that no longer serve you. As you are aware of exploring a negative memory, shift to a positive replacement thought about the present or a vision of the future that lifts your spirit even incrementally. I know that for some people, replacing a negative thought with a real-time observation of gratitude works. They catch themselves in the negative thought, look around, and shift their attention to something in their immediate environment for which they are truly grateful. For instance, isn't the forest beautiful as it is preparing to burst into spring? When I find myself spiraling, I find the shift by envisioning something that I'd like to bring into my experience in the future. For instance, I'm so excited to walk through this forest when the trees are green and filled with birds. Take some time this week to find a solution that works for you. Soon, making the shift will become an incredibly healthy habit. Have a fantastic week. Please comment about this weekly elevation, and don't forget, click the connectionswithken.com link to book an appointment for a personal session. I look forward to hearing from you.